Hello everyone, I'm Michael studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, 4th semester. Here we're gonna learn about how to make yourself happy and others happy. Happiness is a state of mind that can be cultivated through intentionally practices. By focusing on your own well-being and spreading positivity to those around you, you can create a happier life for yourself and contribute to the happiness of others. Practices for personal happiness. Mindfulness. Engage in mindfulness practices like meditation to stay present and appropriate the moment. Gratitude. Make a habit of expressing gratitude for the people and things you have to in your life. Self care. Prioritize your physical and emotional needs through healthy habits and self compassion. Positive thinking. Challenge negative thoughts patterns and cultivate an optimistic outlook of life. Strategies for spreading happiness to others. Act of kindness. Perform small acts of kindness such as holding the door, complimenting someone, or volunteering your time. Listening actively. Be present and activity when others share their thoughts and feelings with you. Positive affirmations. Encourage and uplift others with genius positive feedback and affirmations. Cultivate a positive mindset and attitude. Challenge negativity. Recognize and challenge negativity through patterns that can drag you and others down. Practice optimize. Approach life with a glass of full mentality and focus on the good in any situations. Spread positivity. Radiate a positivity energy that can inspire and uplift those around you. Evaluating people key considerations. Assessing people is a critical skill for leaders and managers. It involves careful consideration of a person's personality, behavior, skills, and potential for growth to make informed decisions about hiring, development, and team dynamics. Personality traits and behaviors. Introversion versus extroversion. Observes how a person interacts with others and the comfort level in social situations. Emotional intelligence. Assess the self awareness, empathy, and ability to manage their own emotions. Work style. Understand the preference for independent work, collaborate, or a mix of both. Assessing skills and competence. Technical expertise. Evaluate the proficiencies in the specific skills required for the role. Problem solving abilities. Access the critical thinking and ability to negative complex challenges. Communication skills. Observes the ability to effectively convey idea and collaborate with others. Leadership potential. Identify the ability to inspire, motivate, a guide, and a guide a team. Identifying potential and growth opportunities. Continual development. Encourage and support individual in continuously expanding their knowledge and skills. Advan- Advancement opportunities. Recognize and reward high performance individuals with opportunities for promotion and increased responsibilities. Mentorship program. Facilitate, facilitate mentoring relationship to nurture the growth and development of promising individual. Thank you.